Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics that directly cause access violations. First, validate game files with your launcher so corrupted assets are repaired. This removes many immediate causes. Then update your GPU drivers and reboot since driver mismatches often trigger memory faults. Once done, disable all overlays because injected overlays can conflict with the game process. Doing this early isolates the problem. Make sure to run the game as administrator to allow proper memory and file access. Next, you address memory and GPU resource contention, which often underlie access violations. Assign the game to your high-performance GPU so it doesn't try to switch mid-session, and lower heavy settings like streaming distance and population to reduce RAM pressure. This prevents the engine from touching invalid memory. Then adjust Windows virtual memory. Set a manual page file of about 1.5 times your RAM, so the OS can offload when physical RAM is full. Finally, to finish, focus on runtime and system integrity, because missing or corrupt redistributables can cause access violations. Reinstall Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX runtimes. They supply required libraries the game expects. Then run SFC and DISM so Windows repairs its system files that the game might rely on. If you still crash, capture a crash dump and note the faulting module so you can search targeted fixes or report specifics to support. Tip: if nothing helps, try a clean OS profile to rule out user-level corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.